there's an update in my life ambayo I think it's the right time to kuambia ama kuongea nyie. I'm not sure. So last week niliwaambia kwamba I will be posting the post product jobs, how to start a product business na vitu vya kuangalia, vitu vya kujua, vitu kama hivyo, right? And sema kweli kama sasa hivi hapa behind, kama mshaangalia video zangu zingine, it's different, niko kazini. And nilisema kwamba nitapost, and the truth is sijaweza kupost, sijaanza. Nime video, the truth nime video, nimesha video kabisa the video, but edit the video inakaa kabisa kwamba I didn't feel like doing anything, like I felt exhausted and nilikuwa in a rush, nilikuwa nimechelewa kazini. And I'm like trying to keep up with my job, my work, my freelance work, my content creation job, my business, like na vitu vinne I'm working on, and I want to be 100% in each one of them. Like sitaki ku lose the consistency in any of them. And najipata kwamba hata kufanya kazi it's different. So even nafanya just because I have to do it and not 100%, and that's not what I want. That's not what I started content creation for. Like me nimeanza content creation because I wanted to help people like me, people who just walikuwa nyumbani not having anything to do, and what I wanted is to show them there is light and there is hope. That's why I started this channel. So mimi kuanza hii channel sasa hivi, it has been very hard for me to keep up with the posting and the editing and the videoing and the everything and the value that natoa. So nimeamua kwamba I'll take a break for like only 2 months. By the end of October narudi, nitaendelea kupost. Najua kuna video mbili kwenye our playlist. Kama hujaangalia playlist yetu ya Smart Ways of Getting Money, go watch it. But it is a very very good playlist, nafundisha a lot. And kuna video mbili ambazo sija produce. Kuna hiyo product jobs na kuna ChatGPT, which hizo mbili I will, nikirudi I promise nitaanza nazo ndo tuendelee na other things. And I have so many ideas on what to talk about nikirudi. I think by the time narudi nitakuwa nimesha catch up na kazi, because nimeanza hii kazi less than 2 months and I'm already like burnt out with content creation. And nitaacha kupost YouTube. TikTok nitaendelea kupost kwa sababu ni short form video, kwa hata kuedit hainichukui more than 5 minutes kuedit. So nitaendelea kupost huko. So if you want to be learning more, kuniona more, please go and follow me on my TikTok, link iko down below. I'm just trying to like let you know what is happening. Kutengenezea video alafu it's not valuable, haikufundishi chochote. Mimi naikufundisha hata mwenyewe I don't feel like I want it, like nakaa kama sitaki kuwa kwenye hiyo video, right? It's like I'm forcing myself, and that's not what I want. So I'm taking a break to just chill and ni catch up na vitu vingine paka the time narudi, like I hope mnanielewa. Paka the time narudi nitakuwa nimesha catch up, nimesha batch content, kwa hiyo itakuwa easier for me to bring out the value, the spirit, the motivation, the everything in the video. Like I'm still here, it's just that nachukua break for a very short period of time, like 4 weeks I think. I think it's 4 weeks, or if it's not 4 weeks, 8 weeks, kwa sababu ni September na October. So end of October narudi, so 1st of November itakuwa I think 1st of November, I don't know, when is 1st of November? Yeah, 1st of November na post. So 1st of November I'll be here and I post then. So yeah, please continue watching my channel, continue learning. Kama hujaangalia video yote, nimefanya a lot of videos, so go watch them, learn, nijue hata na mimi zaidi. And if you have still questions, kama na questions andika kwenye comments, I will answer. Nipo TikTok, so you can go and follow me there. Nitakuwa na post maybe once a week. I'm learning, I'm growing, and hata kwenye nilivyo change my niche, niliwaambia kwamba this channel is my nitakuwa na post my lessons, my mistakes, my growth, my everything. Yeah, so here in one of the growth, and in another chapter that I'm opening, of sharing with you what I'm passing through, and I hope you guys also resonate or mnaelewa why I'm doing this. hata kama naongea na watu wawili watatu, I really don't care. Those 3 people are like the best things. I am so thankful for everyone who is watching, subscribed. The 10,000 views that I just got last week, amazing. Thank you for everything. You guys are motivating me, Sana, and that's why I think I'm gonna make a video, so that really bring my best out and not my fake self, just to please you guys. I want to bring positivity and not negativity in the channel. So yeah, I think that's please subscribe. I'll be coming back soon, I promise. E-Kazini, the best job I've ever gotten, and I don't want to fuck it up. Sorry about my language, but yeah, I don't want to fuck it up. I'm giving it my best kwa sababu it will give me a lot of exposure and they'll learn a lot from it. And yeah, so I hope you guys understand. Nimesema hivyo mara ngapi, I don't even know. But yeah, that's it. Nipo kazini, niko my lunch break. Watu wameondoka, wameenda kula lunch, niko peke yangu, so why not make a video? See you in the next one, guys. And please stay safe, be positive, and don't unsubscribe. I will come back by November 1st. Okay. Yeah. Bye.